dearly beloved French toast. It's the go-to for a quick meal. Start out with the pan, nice and hot. Shallow dish, crack an egg, and beat it up. It's that simple. Get it nice and neatly blended. We're gonna make a few more, so we're gonna add a couple extra eggs there. We have 3 eggs. Spin them around. Little oil in the pan, about a teaspoon, not much. You can use a non-stick skillet if you want to. So you take your bread out of the bag. You don't want to keep dipping your hand from the bag and back into the eggs and then back to the bread. So you take all the bread out that you need. We're going to go ahead and dip our bread in the eggs. Make sure that it's soaked real well. Push it down if you need to. Drop it in the pan. You should hear that nice sizzle. Let it cook for a couple more minutes. It usually takes about a minute and a half a side. Finished on one side, give it a turn. A little bit of butter, about a half a tablespoon. Throw it in the pan. Get it swirled around. You want a nice even coating on each side of these, and then throw the butter on top and serve it just like that. Stack them up and you're ready to go.